Guys, it's Cathedral, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this Paint by Line stained glass piece. We've come out with quite a few new stained glass pieces, and to me this one is more of like the traditional stained glass look. And I'm just going in and painting it with all of my favorite Dixie Belle colors. So I've gone in with Peony, which is that bright pink. That light blue is the Gulf, and I'm painting with Peacock now. And then on the edges I'm going in with the color Pine Cone. And I also went in with Blueberry on the glass and Mint Julep. And again, these are all Dixie Belle chalk paint, which can be purchased online along with this cutout. Once everything's completely dry, I'm going to go in with a Sharpie brushstroke marker and outline everything. And this marker makes this step so easy. Of course, you can go in with paint if you prefer, but this marker just makes really clean, easy lines. And then once I'm done outlining, that's all I'm going to do to this. You could go in and highlight it if you want to kind of make it look like the glass kind of has a sheen on it, but I just left it plain, believe it or not. You guys know I love to outline, but I mix it up every now and then. And then that will be the end of my project. So I can't wait to see what you guys do with these, and I really hope you enjoy this video and have a great day.